All to the home mentoring session of business study. In the last video, dear students, we have done the functions of stock exchange, the trading procedure of stock exchange, the meaning of stock exchange. I have told you earlier, nowadays stock exchange is regulated by the government. Government has fixed its rules and regulation under which the stock exchange works. You know very well, stock exchange of any country is the barometer of that country's economy. So there should be some rules and regulation. It should be under the government, and government had it under the Security Exchange Board of India. In this video, we will cover the objectives of SEBI and its functions and the meaning of SEBI. Let us start with the meaning of SEBI. In the short form, we call Security Exchange Board of India as a SEBI. It was established by the Government of India on 12th April 1988 to promote orderly and healthy growth of security market and for investor protection. And it got the statutory status on January 1992 by passing an act of parliament, which act is called as the SEBI Act 1992. If the question is asked when the SEBI Act has been passed, so you will give the answer. It was passed in the 1992. It came into the existence with an ordinance, but later on the act was passed. The main aim of to form SEBI to save the interest of investor. Because who are the investor? Investors are the general public. They invest the money. Their money should be safe. Due to that, the SEBI has been formed. Now we come to the objectives of SEBI. The first objective is it regulates the stock exchange and security market to promote their orderly function. स्टॉक एक्सचेंज का ऑर्डरली फंक्शंस को प्रमोट करने के लिए, उसको रेगुलेट करने के लिए सेबी को फॉर्म किया गया. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अर्लियर व्हेन द सेबी वाज नॉट फॉर्म्ड, देयर वाज स्टॉक एक्सचेंज एंड इट वाज अंडर द कंट्रोल ऑफ द प्रमोटर्स, under the control of the companies. They do whatever they want. There were different type of malpractices was done, like intertrading, price rigging. What is the price rigging? Price rigging क्या होता है? Artificially increasing and decreasing of the price. It is done by the brokers, mercantile brokers. They were not registered earlier. तो जब सेबी फॉर्म हुई तो it is compulsory for any broker to get themselves registered under the stock exchange, and they have to fulfill lots of formality before becoming the stock broker. So this was the major objective of the SEBI, to save the interest, to guide them properly, to prevent the trade malpractices, to conduct the rules and regulation properly, to conduct the smooth running of the stock exchanges, so that in normal general public who invest money in the companies, their fund should be safe. They should not be done, they should not indulge in the frauds done by the brokers or the other companies. So let us discuss the functions of SEBI. There are major three functions performed. In examination point of view, you will get the 3 marks question. Sometime they can give you the case study question. One example is given कि under which function this function of SEBI this is performed. So they have divided the functions into the 3 type. Protective functions means जो बचाता है. Development means how to develop the functions of stock exchange. And regulatory function, who made the rules and regulation for the stock exchange. Now let us discuss one by one. First we will discuss the protective functions. First is prohibits fraudulent and unfair trade practices in secondary market. You know what is secondary market? Stock exchange. Price rigging. Price rigging means artificially increase or decrease of prices according to the requirement of the कंपनी एंड मिसलीडिंग स्टेटमेंट, रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट देना. प्रोहिबिट इनसाइडर ट्रेडिंग. नाउ व्हाट इज इनसाइडर ट्रेडिंग? कई बार क्या होता था कि जैसे ब्रोकर होते थे वो आपस में ही ट्रेडिंग कर लेते थे कि अगर एक ब्रोकर कहेगा कि मैं ज्यादा परचेजिंग करूंगा, जब डिमांड किसी चीज की ज्यादा होगी तो नेचुरली प्राइस बढ़ जाता था. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड इनसाइडर ट्रेडिंग. Then educate investors, promote fair practices and code of conduct in the security market. Investors को educate करना कि वो कैसे fair practices करें stock exchange के अंदर. Now we come to the development functions. Development, how to develop the, अगर stock exchange develop होगा तो naturally companies की investment easy होगी. company की investment easy होगी तो naturally companies profit earn करेंगी. तो vice versa country will grow. So it is required कि there should be some functions which are performed, which should be performed for the development of stock exchange. So number one function is promotes training of intermediaries of the security market. Intermediaries are the brokers. Investor को educate करना, promotion of fair practices, code of conduct को बनाना, conducting research and publish information useful to all market participants. सारी information जो भी इसके participants होते हैं market के उनको publish करना और research work करना कि how we can do the function smoothly with the फुल ट्रांसपेरेंसी, ताकि सबको सब कुछ इजीली पता लग जाए. नेक्स्ट वी कम टू रेगुलेटरी फंक्शन कि कैसे रेगुलेट कर सकते हैं. व्हाट दे डू, दे रजिस्टर द ब्रोकर्स एंड सब ब्रोकर्स एंड अदर प्लेयर इन द मार्केट. विदाउट गेटिंग द रजिस्ट्रेशन नोबडी कैन डील इन द सिक्योरिटी. कुछ स्कीम्स को रजिस्टर करना, म्यूचुअल फंड्स को रजिस्टर करना, स्टॉक बैंकर, पोर्टफोलियो एक्सचेंजेस एंड मर्चेंट बैंकर को रेगुलेट करना, उनके लिए रूल्स बनाना. दीज ऑल फंक्शंस आर परफॉर्म्ड बाय द सेबी. दिस इज अ very important question on the board point of view, so do it well and please learn three head points for each and every function given in the NCERT, given in this slide. Thank you very much.